day everyone, my name is Berlina Lerutoane from Show Me Your Number. Today I'll be taking you through our module 5, which deals with sexual and gender-based violence. So after this module, we are anticipated to understand the concept of gender-based violence and of sexual violence and also of domestic violence. And also we need to understand the legal rights and response related to sexual and gender-based violence. So in this module, we are going to unpack sexual and gender-based violence. Gender-based violence, sexual violence and domestic violence, consent and coercion, causes, forms and effects of sexual and gender-based violence, and also how to serve as barriers to realizing rights and accessing services, and also the legal rights related to sexual and gender-based violence and how to respond to them. Gender-based violence is violence based on gender norms and unequal power relation. It includes acts that causes harm or suffering such as physical, sexual, emotional, psychological, and economical and financial abuse, threats, coercion, and deprivation of liberty. It is also linked to sociality, expectations, and norms of how people should behave and interact based on their sex and gender. And also not conforming is often used to justify the occurrence of gender-based violence. So women and young girls are most at risk to be affected by sexual and gender-based violence. Men and boys and gender non-conforming people also experience gender-based violence, as do people from sexual and gender minority. Violence against women and gender-based violence are often used interchangeable. Encompasses violence against women and violence against people based on their sex, gender, and sexuality, gender identity and expression, and perceived non-conformity to social expectations. So now we are going to unpack sexual violence. It's an act, conduct, or threat, sexual nature committed against a person without their consent. It includes sexual assault, rape, and sexual harassment. All forms abuse, humiliate, degrade, or otherwise violate the sexual integrity of a person. It is an extreme form of establishing and resetting gender-based power relations. The causes and forms of gender-based violence: we've got domestic violence, we've got inmate partner violence, we also have sexual assault and rape, we have stalking, we have coercion, we have harassment, denial of access to services, and physical, emotional, and financial economic abuse as well. So now we are going to unpack the understanding of consent. So a consent is when a person gives permission for something to happen. They voluntarily decide what is going to happen next without fear of threats. A person needs all the available information regarding the potential benefits and consequences of giving consent or saying no. It includes the right to withdraw consent at any time for any reason that you feel we want to withdraw a consent. So for an example, when young women are being sterilized at hospitals without their consent, that is actually violating their human rights. You need to give a consent for sterilization or anything that you feel you need to give a consent for it to be done. Coercion is the act or process of convincing someone to do something they do not want to do. Intimidation, threats, deception, manipulation, and the promise of a benefit to obtain consent or compliance, and all types of coercion. Coercion is closely linked to power and often associated with the fear of discrimination, violence, and other rights abuse. So coercion means being forced to do something that you do not want to do without giving consent for somebody to do that thing to you. The linkages of violence to HIV and diversity. Diversity increases the risk of sexual and gender-based violence, which increases the risk of HIV and exposure to and transmission. Living with HIV also increases the risk of gender-based violence and discrimination, and particularly for women and young children. These multiple risks are increased by stigma and discrimination and other rights violations based on sex, gender, sexuality, gender identity and expression, and other forms of diversity at all levels in society. The human rights barriers and responses addressing sexual and gender-based violence are overlapping, and this includes reducing stigma and discrimination, sensitizing and training service providers, your healthcare workers, your police and your social services, sensitizing law and police makers, increasing level of legal literacy, strengthening access to legal support services, monitoring and reviewing laws and policies, and also addressing gender inequalities and power relations. That's how we can break barriers of human rights. So we've got numerous redress mechanism and legal responses that we can look at, which is domestic violence, which is Act number 116 of 1998, Protection from Harassment as well, Equality Act as well, and Sexual Offense Act, and National Health Act. So the community response and strategy. Community-based strategies and interventions have to be specific to their realities because we are dealing with human beings, so we need to be realistic about everything that we do, and needs and risk of the community inclusive, focus on all levels of the communities where rights violation happen. So we need to know the hotspots and the safe spots of our communities. We anticipate that after this module you will have an understanding of the concept of gender-based violence, sexual violence, and also domestic violence, and you'll be able to know the legal rights and responses related to sexual and gender-based violence. Thank you. Please see the video that is based on sexual gender-based violence after this module.
Oh my god, look at that. Don't turn around and go on. Yes. Okay, I see that. I see she's got
Hi, Tommy.
We're rushing somewhere.
Just one. Ayibona na. Bengizoyidlala namhlanje. Marazi ukuthini before simosha isikhathi ngifuna ukuthola lapha ekamereni ulenga njengebacks ngifuna ukubona nje uku6 yangithola ngithole so change zini. Oh okay. So ufuna namanzi, juice, cold drink.
Amanzi azoba right.
Oh alright, amanzi. So then shesha ngizokuthola ngala ekamereni so change. Make it snappy, girl.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, okay, thank you.
And as being expected ukuthi ngizokuthola so change so right. Ngithe man ngifuna uspread lezo inyawo njengama hot wings. Kanti wawulo kubhiza umoshe isikhathi. Shesha. Imali lesikhuluma ngayo.
Can I help you with that?
No, it's fine. Ngizosisiza ngale. Wena nje change lapha angimoshe isikhathi.
Okay. Can we use a condom?
Condom? No. When I play prostitute, you don't use a condom. And so do I. You don't deserve to use a condom. Ni number one question say unsebenzisi condom. So nami ngifuna nge raw, ngifuna straight.
No, umzimba wami lona. You can't tell me ukuthi angisebenzisi condom. I'm asking for a condom. It's my life.
No, akuna condom esoyisebenzisa next time. Mina ngizoyidla raw lento le. Angithi I paid you. So
do you think ngiyayithanda lento engiyenza la? I have a child ogulayo endlini. I'm doing this for my son. So don't you dare tell me you're right. Me giving you my body for money doesn't give you the right to ungitshela ukuthi ungidla raw.
You chose this job. Owazi ama consequences olomsebenzi. So ungalingi ukungitshela ngecondom.
You know nothing about me. Nothing. Yazi, you can keep your money ngiyahamba.
Lalela la sisi.
Please,
sisi.
Please, no.
Tula. Yes. Tula.
Ndiyakuva detective. Here's why your location of ezafana zebenthe unjumele zona sawufumana. Okay, yima sobuyela kwenjenga ngoku. Ntombazana, ithinto yakho. Hayibo yesisi, ndiyakwazi wena.
Uzobika icala. Bangidlwengulile.
Udlwenguliwe. wena uyi-prostitute udlwengulwa njani mani?
Prostitute bungenaphi ngoba ngiyakhala ukuthi bangidlwengulile ngizobika icala.
Khawume kancinci into endiyaziyo mna uba oonontronki bahambe belala namadoda bebhatalwa for loo nto leyo. ese-US andikwazi njengangokuba ulele namadoda ayi-400 okanye ayi-10 phela konto engayaziyo leyo. So uzondixaba ureyitshiwe, andiyiqondi uba ureyitshwa njani, like andiyi-understandi tu.
Aziyinkinga nge-South Africa le. Yinto enza ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sikhale. Ngoba nina bomama, nina yini lapha eningavumi ukuthi nisimamele, nisikholwe futhi.
Yewethu khawuye kundidika, ndinee-case ezibalulekileyo efuneke ndidile nazo. Njengangoku ndicela uhambe because ayikho kwale nto uyithethayo. Leyo ngixela uba udlwenguliwe wena.
Ngiyacela. Woman to woman, ngicela ukusiza. Ngicela ukusiza, manje ungisize.